Looking on how to make crispy pizza chaffles. Well, in this video, I bring you the step-by-step directions on how to perfect crispy pizza chaffles in your chaffle maker. It's keto, it's low carb, it's a family favorite. Coming up. Hey gang, my name is Shelly. I'm a dietitian specializing in the keto, low carb, and anti-inflammatory lifestyle. I'm a clinic owner, penny pincher, busy mom of two, and I'm crazy passionate about helping busy women lose weight, decrease their blood sugars, balance their hormones, eliminate pain and migraines. As a chronic migraine sufferer myself and someone who had the hardest time to lose her baby weight, I discovered this eating plan and it changed my life, and I want to change the lives of all of you out there, one bite at a time. And if that's something you're interested in, I want you to subscribe below. Ladies, I am on the chaffle bandwagon. I made a chaffle recipe right here. Go ahead and click on that link. And today I am bringing and combining one of my favorites, pizza chaffles. I wish there was a little bit of a cooler way to say it. Just a friendly reminder, 2 slices of our pizza can be in upwards of 39 to 50 grams of carbs, depending if you do thick or thin crust. We have your replacement right here. And if you notice, gang, I have a fun little dash chaffle maker. It was my birthday a couple weeks ago. This was a present. I have the link in the description box if you want to order one for yourself. And before we continue, huge thank you to Sweatco for sponsoring this video. Let's get to cooking. Crazy easy ingredients. 5 pepperoni, 3 tablespoons of our Rayo's sensitive marinara sauce, an egg, half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Go ahead and add our pepperoni to our egg. Give it a good whip. Pour in our Rayo's. You all know I love Rayo's. It's an amazing low-carb pasta sauce, but the best part, it is incredibly delicious. Let me know in the comments if you love Rayo's. Finally, add in our half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Now that the ingredients are combined, we pour into our chaffle maker and cook for 4 minutes. This is the secret to our crispy chaffle. We cook it about 1 minute to 2 minutes longer than what we see in typical recipes so that I can have that amazing crunch. We do want to remember, gang, this recipe can make up to 3 chaffles in a mini maker, and if you're using a waffle iron, you can pour the entire contents in the waffle iron. I'm so excited I can barely get our chaffle out of here. This is super yummy. Look at this, gang. I love pizza. Super confession time. It was my birthday recently, and what did I want? And it was a pizza. So I'm so glad I have this little chaffle maker. Easy recipe, gang. Now you can alter it. Some people will put a little bit more pizza sauce on top of it. This is amazing at 4 grams of carbs, and I need to shut my mouth and shove it with this because I love pizza. I love chaffles. I love pizza chaffles. Let's go for it. Ooh, it's really hot, so just be careful, gang. Oh my gosh.
Oh God, it's so good.
Ugh.
So good and tasty.
I love pizza so much, and this really just gives me that amazing feeling. Of course, you can add onion, you can add bell pepper, you can add whatever you want to give it your personal pizza style. So you like, obviously, gang, you love chaffles. That's why you clicked on this recipe. Be sure to visit my playlist here where I give you some fun chaffle ideas. And of course, for more recipes to be delivered to your inbox, scroll in our description box below. Sign up for our email, and while you're there, go ahead and download our keto and anti-inflammatory menu. And my question of the day. My question of the day to you, gang, what is your favorite pizza toppings? Comment below. You never know, I might give you a shout out on our channel. So friends, I'm Shelly in the KLA kitchen. I wish you a beautiful day. I'm eating this. Oh my gosh, I love pizza so much. Look at this. Just gotta hit in that pepperoni.